night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till He had appeared and the soul felt His word. The thrill of the weary world rejoices, for yonder breeze and you in glorious morn fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine, oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine, oh, night divine. The stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Chains shall He break, all the useless our brother, and His name all oppression shall sing. Hymns of joy in grateful chorus raise we from within. We praise His holy name. Christ is the Lord, and praise His name forever. Evermore proclaim, oh, night divine, oh, night divine. Oh, night divine.
Oh, Holy Night, Tristan Bean, nistgħu ngħidu il-11